First of all, thanks for being part of this video. In this video, we are going to see the day 51 daily score booster questions. And if you are new to my channel, please do like, share and subscribe and click on the bell icon to get instant notification about my videos. Let's get started. First, simplifications. First question, 2 2 by 3 means 3 2 times 6 6 2 6 plus 2 8 8 divided by 3 divided by 4 8 divided by 3 divided by 4 means this one 4 2 times, so we get 2 by 3 here plus 3 plus 1 4 4 by 2 4 by 3 and divided by 2 means this one 2 times, so 2 by 3 and 2 by 3 we get 4 by 3 from here, and this is question mark means x divided by 3 cube. This 3 and 1 3 cancels and we left with 3 2. So 3 square is nothing but 9. 9 4 times is 36. So x value is 36. Option C is our answer. Next, here second question, 4 cube which is 64 into 40% means 40 divided by 100 x minus, this minus comes this side with plus, and 751 plus 23 square which is 529. So we have 0 8 12 1 to 80. This 0 and this 0 cancels, 64 2 times and 4 25 times. Now x value is 25 into 2 times which is 50. So answer is option E. Next, third one, here we have 5 by 6 into, here we have triple 2 plus 11 square means 1 triple 2 and 1 to 1 which will be 343 343 minus 212, this will be 112. 16 7 times is 112. This will be 4 2 and 3 324. By doing subtraction to these two we get 19. For the total basis value equals to x divided by 24. 6 4 times 4 5 times is 20. 20 into 19 which is 380. Option A is the answer. Next, fourth one, here 3 and 3 cancels, 5 and 0 cancels and into 2. 64 2 times will be 128 divided by 2 power minus 5 means into 2 power 5. This is minus 5, so it comes on the numerator 2 power 5, and this is 2 power 7. 2 power 7 into 2 power 5 into this is 2 power 5 equals to 2 power question mark. This will be 10 plus 7 17. Option B is our answer. 17 is our answer. Next, fifth question, here 12 into, this will be 12 minus 9 3 into, this will be 12 minus 8 4 into, this will be 5. Let's write this as 4 into 3, and these all are under in root. Instead of 2 3s we take 1 3 out, 2 4s we take 1 4 out, and remaining with the root 5. So we have 12 root 5 into 3 root 5 means 12 3 times 36. Root 5 into root 5 will be into 5 which will be 180. So answer is option D, 180. Now we are going to see quadratic equations. Quadratic equations, first question, 2 into 280 which will be, first we will write this as a 280 means 14 20 times, 7 2 times 5 4 times, and this extra 2, so we need to make 51. 7 5 times 35 and 4 4 times 16, we get 51. So 35 and 16 are the roots for the first equation. Minus and plus means both are in positive. Now this one 32 means 8 4 times, minus and minus means plus and minus. To make the base equal we need to multiply this with 2. So this is minus 8 plus 16. Now by comparing these two it is clear that x is greater than or equals to y. Okay. Next, second question. Here this question seems looks like x square minus ax square minus bx plus c equals to 0. This equation roots will be in x value. The roots are in x. Here we have another equation ax minus b root x plus c equals to 0. In this case, we get roots of square root of x. We get the roots for the root over x. So these are same. So we have 42. 42 we need to get 13 means 7 6 times is 42 and we get 13. Minus and plus means both are in positive. And these are root x values. So x values are squaring of these two, which will be 49 and 36. Plus 49 and plus 36 are the roots for the x value. Here we have root y value will be 20 means 5 4 times. 5 4 times minus and plus means both are in positive. So y value is 25 and 16. Now by comparing these two, x is greater than y. Okay, so we have, for this equation we get the roots of x. For this equation we get the roots of root over x. So by this we cleared this question. It's a very new topic, new question. Okay, let's see this one. 5 into 16, which is 80, and we need to get 16 means 20 4 times, and plus and minus means minus and plus. Okay, here we have 5 into 20 100 means we need to get 29 means 25 4 times. Minus and plus means both are in positive. Bases are equal, so by comparing these two it is clear that x is less than or equals to y. Next, fourth one, 2 into 21, which will be 42, and we need to get 13 means 7 6 times is 42. Minus and plus means the roots are in positive. And here we have 7 6 times 42 and 7 4 times 28. Now y value is y cube is equals to 64, means y value is 4 cube, which is 64. So y value is plus 4. To make the base equal, we need to multiply this with 2. We get a plus 8, and this is plus 7 and plus 6. Now by comparing these two, x is lesser than y. Okay, next, fifth question. Here we have 108 and we need to get 21, means 12 9 times. Plus and plus means both are in negative. Here 150, we need to get 25. 15 10 times is 150, and we got 25 also. Plus and plus means minus and minus are the roots. Now by comparing these two, it is clear that this minus 12 is in between these two numbers. So x is greater than y and x less than y comes here. So there is no relation in between these two equations. Okay, now we are going to see wrong number series. First question. Here in this question, I can see this one as into 2 times plus 4, and this is into 3 times 66 plus 4, and this is into 2 times plus 4. So into 2 plus 4 into 3 plus 4 into 2 plus 4. So it must be into 3 plus 4. 14 for 3 times 12 and 14 3 times is 42 plus 1 43 plus 4 means 436 into 2 plus 4. 436 into 2 will be 12 6 7 and 8 876 plus 4 we get 876. So this is our wrong number. Instead of 432 we need to get 436. Next, second question. Here we have, we need to see the differences. Here the difference is 13. Here the difference is here 24 plus 2 26. Here the difference is 4 and 5 54. Here the difference is 2 0 1 102. Here the difference is 208. These three are 13 factors, but these two are not 13 factors. Let's see. This is 13 one times, 13 two times. This is 13 16 times. So it must be 13 4 times and 13 8 times. So these two are wrong. So in between, this is our wrong number. Next, third question. Here we see the differences. Here the difference is 0 to 120. Here the difference is 3 0 1. Here the difference is 6 and 4 8 86. Here the difference is 69 48. Here the difference is 39. So let's see double differences. Here the difference is 9. Here the difference is 121. Here the difference is 17. Here the difference is 17. Here the difference is 17. So these three are common. These two are wrong. So this is and these two are wrong numbers. So in between these two, this is our wrong number. So 52 is our wrong number. Here we need to get 17 and here also we need to get 17. So 69 minus 17 and that minus 17 and this is our wrong number. Let's see fourth question. Here 72 becomes 144 when it comes 44, and here we have 3 zeros and here we have 2 zeros. So it is divided by 5 times. By doing divided by 5 times we get 144, and here it is divided by 144 becomes 12 means divided by 12. It is 1200 divided by 5 times we get 240. So it must be divided by 12 times. We get 20. Okay, the next one must be divided by 5. 20 divided by 5, which will be 4, not 5. So our wrong number is 5. Next, fifth question. Here we see the difference of 1. Here the difference is 4. Here the difference is 9. Here the difference is 4 and 34. Here the difference is 5. Okay, and it is 0. 0 means 2. And here it is 2 and 1, 125. Here the difference is 6, 36. So this is 6 cube, this is 5, 6 square, this is 5 cube. We don't know, this is 2 cube, let it be 1 cube. So it must be 3 cube and this must be 4 square. So these two are wrong. 3 cube, which is 27. So this is a wrong number. 42 plus 7 will be 9 and 6, 1169 plus 4 square, 16. 69 plus 16 we get 85. So this is our wrong number. Next, now we are going to see missing number series. Here missing number series, we see the differences here 0 8 180. Here the difference is 0 0 0 100. Here the difference is 8 48. Here the difference is 8 and 18. So these numbers are familiar to me as this is 5 cube minus 5 square. So 5 cube is 125 minus 25, we get 100. This is 6 cube minus 6 square. This is 4 cube, which is 64, minus 4 square, 16. 64 minus 16, we get 48. This is 3 cube minus 3 square. 27 minus 9, we get 18. So it must be 2 cube minus 2 square. This must be 1 cube minus 1 square. 1 cube is 1, 1 minus 1, 0. So the difference between these two is 0. So the value is 94. 2 cube, which is 8, 8 minus 4, which will be 4. So the difference between these two is 4. We got a 4. So answer is 94. Option D is our answer. Next, second question. Here we see the differences. Here the difference is 2, 2, 2, triple 2. Here the difference is 5, 8, 185. Here the difference is 8, 4, 148. Here the difference is 7, 37. Here the difference between these two is 37. Here the difference between these two is 37. So the next difference must be 37 and the next difference must be 37. 37 plus 37 will be 74. 74 plus 37 will be, here we need to get two more differences here. Okay, 74 plus 37 will be 1, 1, 111. 111 plus 37 we get 148. So here the difference must be 74. 98 plus 74, which will be 2, and 17. 172 is our answer. Option A. 172 is our answer. 172 plus 111 we get 283. So option A is our answer. Next, third question. Here we see the difference of 1. Here see the difference of 6. Here the difference is 24. Here the difference is 0 and 20. This is into 5 times. This is into 4 times. So the difference must be here is into 3 times. We get 2. 3 times is 6. Here the difference must be. So here the difference must be into 2 times. So it is the difference of 1. So 16 plus 1, which is 17. 17 2 times is 17 plus 2. We get a 19. So answer is 17. Option E is our answer. Next, here we see the differences of 7 and 17. Here the difference is 3 and 1 3. Here we see 17. So 17 and 13 are repeating here. Here 13. So here must be 17. Here 13. 78 plus 17, which will be 5 and 8 9 95. 95 plus 13 will be 105. So 108. So we get 95. Option C is our answer. Question number 5. Here we see the difference of 10. Here the difference of 12. Here the difference is 20. Here the difference is 52. 0, 8, 180. Let's see double differences. Here the difference is 2. Here the difference is 8. Here the difference is 32. This is into 4 times. Into 4 times. Here we get 8 and 2, 128. This is into 4 times. So into 4 times, 8 4 times 32, 8 2 4 2 times 8 plus 3 11, and 4 1 times 4 5 1 2, and here we have difference of 5 1 2 means 2 9 and 7 6 692. So we have 2 plus 2 4. This will be 7 and 9. 974 is our answer. Option B is our answer. Now we are going to see inequalities. Before that, the concept we use for inequalities is the flow method. If we see a symbol like this, we always say the flow from this side to this side. If we see a symbol like this, the flow from this side to this side. Let's see with the questions directly. First question, first conclusion. The flow from x to u, from x we can reach to y is possible. From y we can reach to r, s and v. From v we can reach to u. So first conclusion will be true. Second conclusion, the flow from y to t, from y we can reach to v, from v we can reach to t. So second conclusion is also true. Let's see second question. The flow from b to I with everywhere equals to, from b we can reach to c d, from d we can reach to I. Here is equal to, here is also equal to, and here is also equal to, here is also equal to. So first conclusion will be true. Second conclusion, from n, the flow from n to h, n we can reach to m, and we cannot able to reach to any other alphabet. So the second conclusion will be false. Third question, the flow from u to w, From U we can reach to T, S and Y, and from Y we can reach to X, but we cannot able to reach to W. So first conclusion will be false. Second conclusion, the flow from P to Z. From P we can reach to O R N or T. From T we can reach to S and Y. From Y we can reach to Z. So second conclusion will be true. Fourth question, the flow from Q to N. From Q we can reach to P and I. From I we can reach to F. From F we can reach to N. So first conclusion will be true. Second conclusion, the flow from P to O. From P we can reach to I. From I we can reach to F. From F we can able to reach to O. Second conclusion is also true. Fifth question, the flow from S to T. From S we can reach only to M, but we cannot able to reach to T. So first conclusion will be, or else we have from S we can reach to H, but none of the other things is possible. So first conclusion will be false. Second conclusion, from Q we need to flow from Q to ampersand. From Q we can able to reach to ampersand. So second one is true. Now we are going to see syllogisms. Syllogisms, first question, all slow is fast. Only a few slow is easy. Some easy is hard. Let's see conclusions. No hard is a slow is possibility. First leave possibility side. We have no hard is slow. For no hard is slow we check some hard can be slow. Some part of hard can share with slow. Yes, some part is sharing is possible. So some case possible means no case fails. Here after false it is saying that a possibility. So like this the first conclusion will be true. Second conclusion, all fast cannot be easy. We see not here, so we check all fast can be easier is a possibility or not. All fast can be placed inside easy. It is not possible. All case fails. All case fails means all cannot case will be true. Second conclusion is true. Next, second question, only a few big is small. All fat is big. All fat is big. No fat is thin. Let's see conclusions. Some fat can be small. Some fat is sharing with small. No. And it is saying that can be. Yes, we can share some part with the small. So first conclusion will be true. Second conclusion, all thin being big is not a possibility. Here we check all thin can be big or not. All thing can place inside big. It is possible. And it is saying that here we got a right and saying that a possibility. So we got right and again saying possibility. So our conclusion will be false. Next, third one, all time is team. All time is team. No time is tide. Only a few tides are tested. Let's see conclusions. All tests can be time. All tests can be placed inside time. No, it is not possible. So first conclusion is false. Second conclusion, all tide is definitely not. We see not here. So we check all tide can be team. All tide can be placed inside a team. It is possible. All case possible means all not case will be fails. Okay, let's see fourth question. Only a few smiles are cute. All sweet is cute. This is sweet. Next, some sweet is pretty. Some sweet is pretty. Let's see conclusions. So, all smiles are sweets. All smiles is inside sweets. No, first conclusion is false. Some smiles are not sweet. We see not here. So we check all smiles can be sweet. All smiles can be placed inside sweet. It is not possible because of this part. So all case fails means some not case will be true. So second conclusion will be true. Let's see fifth question. All balls are doll. Only a few dolls are teddy. Only teddy is a duck. Means duck is inside a teddy and doesn't share with anything except a teddy. Let's see conclusions. All balls are teddy. All balls are inside teddy. No, first conclusion will be false. Second conclusion, some balls are not teddy. We check not here. We see not here. So we check all balls can be teddy. All balls can be placed inside teddy. All balls can be placed in teddy is possible. All case possible means some not case will be false. Here we see all balls and balls here, teddy and teddy here, and it is positive statement and it is negative statement. So answer for this one is either 1 or 2 is the answer for the fifth question. Now we are going to see a reasoning puzzle. 8 persons are sitting around a circular table facing the center with equal distance between each center persons. Okay, 8 people. Okay, all are facing the center. Okay, let's note the rough statement side. G sits third to the left of the one who sits opposite to L. Let's note this. Opposite to L, third to the left. 1 to third. This is the place for G. Okay. Only two persons sit between G and I. So 1 to I. Either here or another possibility we got is L, G. 1, 2. This is the place for I. So we got two possibilities. Next, E sits second to the right of the one who faces I. One who faces the I, second to the right is E here. Who faces I, second to the right, E. This is the place for E. Next, J and E are immediate neighbors. So this is the place for J in this case. In this case, we get either here or here. We have two possibilities again for this type. Next, as many persons between J and F. J and F as between F and K. So like this. And K who neither faces a H. K neither faces a H nor an immediate neighbor of H. K and H are not immediate neighbors. Okay. If we have J here, we can able to place F here and K here. And we have left only with H. H is immediate to K. So this case is not satisfying here. So this conclusion, this case fails. So we have two more cases. Let's take J here. And one more possibility we have is L, G, E and J here. So if we have J here, we take F here and K here according to this one. Now we left with H. We can place a H here. Now see, H does not be opposite to K. No, K and H are not immediates. So this is the solution of our puzzle. We don't need to check this other possibility. So this is the solution of our puzzle. Let's see the questions that are asked. Who among the following persons are immediate neighbors? E, E and H. E and H, no. F and K, no. I and K, yes. So option C is our answer. Next, second question. In which of the following option at most two persons sit between the given pair of persons? At most means maximum two, not more than two, means there must be 0 persons in between them, or 1 person between them, or maximum of 2 persons in between them when counted from the left of second person. So we'll check L and H. L and H left of means 1, 2, 3, 4, more than 2. So this is not. E and K. E and K here, left of E 1, 2, 3, more than 2. G and I. This is G and this is I, and we need to check from I left side. I left side means 1, 2, 3, more than 2. We get more than 2 from this side. K to E. K and E, from the left of K we have only 1 and 2, so maximum 2, we got 2. So option D is our answer. Next, third question. Who among the following persons sits second to the left of H? Second to the left of H is L. So the one who sits immediate right of G, no, it is in left. The one who faces E, yes. So option E is our answer. Now we are going to see question number 4. Question number 4. Which of the following statement is true? I and H sits opposite to each other. I and H sits opposite to each other. So first one is true. Here we have options both A and C, A and B. So we check the second one. F sits immediate left of the one who faces L. Immediate left, no. So we have A is true here and B false. Only 4 persons sit between J and G. J is here, G is here. When counted from the left of G, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So here it is talking about 4 people. So second one, the answer for this one is only A is our answer. Next, fifth question. If all the persons are made to sit in alphabetical order from E in anti-clockwise direction, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. So then how many persons remains in same position excluding E? Only F. So option B, only 1 is the answer. By this we have completed for today's daily score booster questions. If you are new to my channel, please do like, share and subscribe and click on the bell icon to get instant notification about my videos. Thanks for watching.